So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Varsha and you're watching Stick and Solve. So in this video we'll see that what is pointer in C++ and all about it and a short program about it. So let's start. So first of all, we should see a small definition of pointer, which is it holds the address of an object stored in memory. Now what it means that it holds the address of other variables. Yeah? Likewise, we are having a variable a and that the value is 10 and the address we have taken a random one here. So we represent the address by this symbol address of and so actually now what now pointers do, it holds this address, means we are making a pointer b and in that it will store the address of a. That is only the work of a pointer, to hold the address of another object or you can say variable. Yeah, so it is holding the address of a and you can see that there is another address for b down. Yeah, that's not same. So in pointer we use two operators, that is first one is address of, which tells the address of a variable. Yeah, and the next one is the value at, which gives the value at pointer. So if we have to access the value of a by b, we will use this asterisk mark with the b and we can access that 10 in a. So let's have a program here. First of all we can write a equal to 10 and then we can declare the pointer. We declare by using this mark, asterisk mark, and after that we have written b is equal to address of a. What that means? This means that the address of a will come in b, that we have shown in the diagram that there is address of a in the b. Yeah, so this program, and we can write as this also, like two lines we have given in one line, that is value at b, that we have declared pointer and then we have stored address of a to b. So if we have to access the value of a by b, what we'll write is this value at sign with b, c out, and if we will write value at with b, value at sign with b, that is asterisk mark, and the output will be 10 here. So the summary of all these is, what is a pointer? Which holds the address of another variable and we use asterisk mark to access the value of the address we have stored. So I hope you understood it. So let's move to the code. So we have moved to our code editor. So let's write the basic of our program first, that is hash include iostring and using namespace std and the main function. Now first of all let's declare a variable a in the integer form, int a, and then we can assign it 10. So now we will declare a pointer b and with the asterisk sign, that is value at b, and we will store the address of a in b equals to address of a, and after that we can print these all. First of all what is this, we can just comment it. Now let's print that what are these all and the addresses of these. So let's print these all. First of all the value of a with the just writing a, then the address of a where the writing the address sign with the a, and then let's print the what is in b. We know that there is address of a in b, so just we will write b here, and then let's print the address of b. There is another address of b which is not same to a. Yeah, so now let's print the value of a and which we will access by b. Yeah, by writing value at b. Here we will write value at b, and then let's close this with the return statement. So this is the program which we have written. So let's run it and check it what's the output. So let's see, and here's our output, which is showing that the value of a is 10 and the address of a is something, and the b is same as the address of a which we have discussed so far. Yeah, and the address of b is the different from that of a. Yeah, because it is the address of b, and value of a we have written by value at b, means we have accessed the value of a by writing value at b. So it is showing 10 here. Yeah, So let's comment it so you can understand easily. So I hope you understand these all, that what is pointer, which stores the address of another variable, and we can just access it by using the value at sign, and the address we represent by the this symbol, ampersand symbol. And how we store the address of some variable to pointer, that is b is equal to address of a, you can write, or you can use any variable here. Okay, so here's an end to this video. Like this video, do subscribe my channel for more such interesting programs, and comment if you got any help or you are having any doubt. And you can reach out to me through my Instagram page or LinkedIn. And also, if you want to learn C++ language and you are absolute beginner, you can join my Telegram channel and you can ask doubts regarding it, and I will definitely try to solve your problems. So have a good day, take care.